Hey everybody, Kai-chan here, and today I'm doing the 25 question tag. I was tagged by my friend AG Acting Girl, aka Britt. Let's not waste any time and let's get right into these questions. Question number 1 is, do you have any pets? Yes, I have 4 cats, 7 birds, and a tank of fish. Question number 2 is, name 3 things that are physically close to you. My Java textbook, my camera, and my water bottle. Question number 3 is, what's the weather like right now? It is cool and comfortable without a cloud in the sky. Number 4 is, do you drive? If so, have you crashed? Yes, I do drive, and unfortunately, yes, I did have an accident a couple of years ago. It was a very minor one. I was trying to park in a spot that was way too small for my car. Big mistake, but everything's cool. I'm okay. Yes. The next question is, what time did you wake up this morning? 7 in the morning. I was not a happy camper. Question number 6 is, when was the last time you showered? A couple of hours ago. Question number 7 is, what was the last movie you saw? The last movie I saw in theaters was Vampire Sucks. It was a pretty interesting movie. It was hysterical. I was cracking up the whole time. And the last movie I saw that I just have on DVD was Schindler's List. Question number 8 is, what does your last text message say? It was one of those spam text messages, you know, like, do you need money? You know, text yes to opt in, all that other crap. So that was my last one. The next question is, what's your ringtone? I have a couple of ringtones. I have the Soul Eater theme song. I have Who's Watching Me? That is the ringtone for my best friend. I also have a Mamma Mia ringtone, which is for my mom. And I have a standard one that came with the phone. I don't know what it's called. I don't have it in front of me, but that one's pretty cool too. The next question is, have you ever been to a different country? Yes, I have. I've been to Canada, Puerto Rico, and I guess you can count St. Martin. The next question is, do you like sushi? That is the biggest understatement of the year. I love sushi. I can eat sushi till it comes out of my ears. Question number 12 is, where do you buy your groceries? I usually buy all my groceries at the local chain stores around here, which are Stop and Shop, A&P, Pathmark. I also go across the street to my local Food Mart. Even though it's a little bit expensive over there, when you just need one little thing, just go over there. It's really convenient. The next question is, have you ever taken medication to help you fall asleep faster? No, I haven't. I don't really like to do that. When I was younger, I used to have warm milk. Nowadays, I really don't care if I don't fall asleep fast. I just watch TV or listen to music. The next question is, how many siblings do you have? 0. But I do have friends that are like sisters to me, so technically 2. Question number 15 is, do you have a desktop, computer, or laptop? I have both. Question number 16 is, how old will you be turning on your next birthday? 22. Next question is, do you wear contacts or glasses? Neither. Unless you count sunglasses. But I don't think that really counts. The next question is, do you color your hair? Nope, this is all natural. Though I would consider doing it either red, purple, or blue. I really think blue would look good on me. What do you guys think? The next question is, tell me something you're planning to do today. Watch football. Go Indianapolis. Number 20. When was the last time you cried? Yesterday. Question number 22. What is your perfect pizza topping? Cheese. Duh. You can't have pizza without cheese. It's just awesome. Question number 22 is, what do you prefer, hamburgers or cheeseburgers? Cheeseburgers. Hamburgers are just plain. I like cheeseburgers. Question number 23. Have you ever had an all-nighter? Yeah. That was a long time ago. I really don't like to do that now, so I go to bed at 12. Unless it's not a school night, then I stay up as long as I want. Number 24. What is your eye color? Now that is a tough one because my eye color tends to change. It's hazel, sometimes it's green, so it really depends. And the last question number 25 is, can you taste the difference between Pepsi and Coke? I definitely can. though I don't like to drink soda anymore. So, but I can definitely tell you the difference. So that was the 25 question tag. Thank you for tagging me, Britt, and I'm pretty much going to leave an open tag, so whoever wants to do this, feel free to make a video response or answer in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing your answers. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!